Damn! Another one.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois.
Let me guess.
Southeastern DeKalb County
Yep,
in north central
exactly as I
Illinois,
thought it would be.
southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 7:01 p.m.,
DeKalb.
severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Waterman to near Leland, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source,
Yeah, I know I am, bot.
impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Sandwich and Hinkley around 7:10 p.m. Little Rock and Plano around 7:15 p.m. Yorkville and Sugar Grove around 7:20 p.m. Aurora, Oswego, and Montgomery around 7:25 p.m. Latavia and North Aurora around 7:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Boulder Hill, including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 108 and 120. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows,